Hello students. In the last sessions we were going through the topic IoT impact. We had just revised connected roadways and connected factories. So today we will go through about the topic that is smart connected buildings and smart creatures. So as you all know, the function of a building is to provide workers a comfortable, efficient and safe environment where they can work comfortably. So here various sensors are used to control the heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems. So it is also called as HVAC systems, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems. So in some buildings they use temperature sensors which are used to influence the building management systems, that is BMS control of airflow into a room. So by using this it makes easier and cheaper to manage. Next they had also discussed about BAS, that is building automation system. So it provides single management system. A single management system is produced for which collaborate heating, ventilation, air conditioning, lighting, then fire alarms and detection system as well as access control. So this is called as building automation system. Then next they had explained about BAC network, that is building automation and control network. So there is something called as BAC network protocol. So it provides a set of services that allow Ethernet based communication. So these network services allow things in the building network to communicate over IP, which helps to come closer with the BMS on a single network. So all this HVAC systems, BAS systems are all integrated into a single network. So they have explained, there is a figure here which shows the conversion of building protocols to IP over time. So all that sensing, ventilation, lighting, back network, all these things are connected to a single network. You can see here that is IP building systems on low voltage PoE. Then they have explained something called as digital ceiling. So what is this digital ceiling? So it is nothing but it is like a lighting control system. So it involves several building networks including lighting, HVAC, CCTV and combines them into a single IP network. As you all can see here, this is called as digital ceiling. It is most of a lighting control system. All the services are connected, and you all can see in the figure all the services, that is smart spaces, lighting control, are connected to a single network. So this is example, that is digital ceiling. Then they have explained about an LED digital ceiling light with occupancy sensor. So this is nothing, occupancy sensor is nothing but it detects when the space is occupied or unoccupied. So whenever the place is not occupied, then the light sets accordingly. That is, for example, if there are no humans in the room, it will automatically off or dim the lights in order to save the energy. So this was few examples which we had studied in smart connected buildings. So the next point is next topic is that smart creatures. So this is the last example. So here in smart creatures we had studied two examples. One was connected cow and second was connected cockroaches. So the first one is connected cow. In connected cow, the sensors are placed in cow's ear, which helps to monitor various health aspects of the cow, and also it tracks the location of it and transmits the data to the farmer. Okay, so this was the about connected cow. Then comes the placement of sensors on roaches, that is cockroaches. You can see in the figure here. So these cockroaches help in emergencies, in personal rescue, after any disaster takes place. As you all know, whenever a disaster is called, a human cannot enter into it. So we can send these tiny roaches into the building, and we can find we can say the any people. Okay, they can respond. Here low level pulses, okay, low level electric pulses which are placed on the antenna, which helps in the movement, or it helps to identify the direction. Okay, in general, low level electric pulses helps the cockroaches to find out the direction or in the movement. So these were the two examples which we had studied in smart creatures. Thank you.